Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer calls on Nextiva. This is a great skill to have, especially if you're a business owner or someone who makes a lot of phone calls. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of transferring calls correctly. When you transfer a call, you want to make sure that the caller has a seamless experience. This means that they should be able to hear the person they're talking to clearly, and they should be able to stay on the line until their call is finished. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get started. Transferring calls on Nextiva. There are two ways to transfer calls on Nextiva: using the phone app, using the web portal. Method 1. Using the phone app. Open the Nextiva app on your phone. Tap on the Calls tab. Find the call that you want to transfer. Tap on the Transfer button. Enter the phone number of the person you want to transfer the call to. Tap on the Call button. That's it. The call will be transferred to the other person. Method 2. Using the web portal. Log in to your Nextiva web portal. Click on the Calls tab. Find the call that you want to transfer. Click on the Transfer button. Enter the phone number of the person you want to transfer the call to. Click on the Call button. That's it. The call will be transferred to the other person. Additional tips. You can also transfer calls by pressing the Transfer button on your phone's keypad. You can transfer calls to any phone number, including mobile, landline, and toll-free numbers. You can transfer calls to people in your organization or to people outside of your organization. You can transfer calls to multiple people at the same time. You can transfer calls to voicemail. You can transfer calls to a different extension. Transferring calls on Nextiva is easy and convenient. Once you know how to do it, you'll be able to transfer calls quickly and easily. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And that's it for this video on how to transfer calls on Nextiva. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on using Nextiva. I hope this script is helpful.